Do you dread packing and unpacking because it feels like pure chaos? Well, you're not alone. When I first started traveling, I was incredibly disorganized, which led to me forgetting to pack things and spending money I wouldn't have otherwise spent. However, after traveling to over 30 cities across 4 continents, I've learned how to streamline my packing process with these tried and tested travel bags and accessories. All of the items that I mentioned in this video can be bought on Amazon, and they will be numbered and linked in the description box for easy shopping. Let's kick this off with what I believe to be the biggest game changer when it comes to packing, and that's packing cubes. This also happened to be the travel accessory that I was most skeptical about. After all, what is the point of packing my clothes into these cubes that are then going to get packed into my suitcase? Turns out the point is to keep your clothes organized and prevent it from shifting around or spilling out. It's also very convenient to be able to take these cubes out of my suitcase and place them into the drawer of my room if I'm staying someplace for an extended period of time and I don't want to live out of my suitcase. The next biggest game changer for me is the hanging toiletry bag. I travel with a lot of TSA size skincare, and it's so convenient to be able to unzip my bag and hang it up in the bathroom of wherever I'm staying. Not only does it keep my toiletries off of the countertop, which in some places is very necessary because of the limited counter space, but it also makes packing up very, very easy. Zip it up and you're good to go. Alternatively, you could store your toiletries in these clear toiletry bags, but I actually prefer to keep non-toiletry items like makeup in these pouches. Make sure these bags are clear because you want to be able to see what's inside. Back when I used to use cloth bags to store all of my non-toiletry items, I found myself opening up each and every single bag in my hotel room just to find what I was looking for. Also in the realm of toiletries are TSA size refillable bottles. These may not be as important if you're on the low maintenance side, but I like to travel with my shampoo and conditioner that I have at home. You could just buy the travel size versions of these at your local drugstore, but why spend the money each and every time when you could just use these refillable bottles? Another toiletry related accessory that I think is essential for traveling is a case for your toothbrush. Not only is it kind of gross to leave your toothbrush loose in your bag, it also serves as a great reminder to pack your toothbrush in the first place. So what I like to do is I'll leave my toothbrush case out somewhere visible where I can see it. So that way, before I leave for my trip, I see that toothbrush case and I remember to pack my toothbrush. The next thing on my list is an electronics organizer. Between the charger for your phone, the charger for your laptop, your tablet, and all the other electronics that you may be bringing with you, things can get very messy very quick. That's why an electronics organizer is super important in order to corral all of your bricks and your wires into one compact place. Another group of small items that you'll need to keep organized is your jewelry. Even if you don't wear a lot, small jewelry pieces can get easily lost and left behind in hotel rooms. Having a jewelry travel case keeps your pieces organized, and it also serves as a designated spot to put your jewelry into each night of your stay. That way, when it comes time to leave, you can pack it all away with confidence that you haven't left anything behind. This next item is especially important if you're traveling internationally, and that's a pill organizer. I'm not talking about the day of week organizers, but rather these unmarked ones. And I say that this is especially important when you're traveling internationally because they don't have the same medication overseas. So what I like to do is I'll put a few pills of each medication that I think I may need into one section. So one section will be for painkillers, and another for allergy pills, another for stomach relief, etc. Another travel essential that not only keeps you organized, but is also very hygienic are shoe bags. Before I bought these shoe bags, I used to use grocery bags and just tied my shoes up in them whenever I traveled. But these ones from Amazon are affordable and they're much more aesthetic and keep your bag looking way more organized. And it's also nice that they don't make that crinkling sound that plastic bags make all the time. This next item is one of my favorite organizational finds of all time, and that's this portable makeup organizer. I use this to store my makeup brushes, and I love how compact it is once you zip it up. But the best part is that you can fold this top down and you can stand it up on your countertop so that way your makeup brushes or whatever you're storing isn't rolling all over the place. Traveling can be stressful, but at least these 10 items can help you stay organized. Now, if you're thinking to yourself, hey, these items would be great for my next trip, but I need to get a suitcase first, then I recommend watching this video here where I compare popular suitcase brands Away and Calpac. See you there.